What's up, my crypto legends? How is everybody doing? Let me know in the comment section if you can hear me, if you can see me. Guys, what is going on? Is Bitcoin finally going to get the bounce from this level, or are we going to break support in the next coming hours potentially? Because we've been consolidating at this range for quite some while. The movement is going to happen in any time in between today and tomorrow. We either pumping from this level and trying to retest these highs, or we either going to drop from this range and retest the next support level. Now it's pretty clear, in my personal opinion, if we go up, we are retesting all the way up here at 45.5k levels, just underneath $46,000. If we start pumping from this level, very likely we're going to attempt to retest this range. If we do break this support range, it is very, very likely going to come down to retest the next major strong support, which is 39.5k levels. Okay, you might see a little bit of volatility. You might even not reach those levels, because we do also have more support here just before 39. We know that 40k range, okay, 40k 41k range is super strong, so we could see a lot of fake outs. Okay, so all depending on how we react on the price dip. I wouldn't breakout trade this, guys. You know I'm not a breakout trader, because there are a lot of fake outs in this market. Now, let me just go here quickly through the comment section, guys, and make sure to smash up the like button on your way in. Give it a nice good thumbs up. Last video got over 750 likes, almost 1,000 likes for the giveaway. Let's see if tomorrow's video can reach that 1,000 likes, because I'm doing Bitcoin giveaway. Whoever comments down below and smashes up the like button. Okay, so let's see if the next video will reach the 1,000 likes. Guys, we're gonna take a look at Bitcoin. We can take a look at some different altcoins. I'm gonna do a relatively fast live stream, so I'm just gonna go quickly here. And if we manage, I am going to potentially scalp this on PrimeXBT. I do see a potential bullish trade right now, and you must think that I am crazy because we are losing momentum. The bulls are not showing any signs of steam. I think that we could manage finally, with this kind of volatility that is going to happen potentially in the next coming hours, to finally get that leg up and start attempting higher levels. And I'm gonna potentially do a day trade, okay, scalp day trade, but I am targeting this level in the immediate short term. I think we are going to hold very nicely here. There are many reasons. If we take a look at the VPVR, not the VPVR, sorry, the RSI, we are having some bullish divergence right over here on the 1 hourly, on the 2 hourly. There's also on the 4 hourly. You can see the prices here making lower lows, higher lows. You could arguably discuss that we are potentially, already, these divergences are already playing out, because we have been pumping the entire day. As you can see here on the chart, we were trading this morning at 41.8, 41.7, and we are trading now at 42. Well, we have been trading at 42.7. So yeah, we're going to take a look at the 15-minute chart, see if we can find some scalping opportunities. And it is time, for scalping also, not only day trade and swing trade. We are going to try and find some nice, day trade scalping. Okay. So like I said, with this consolidation right there that we've had for the last few days, the biggest point of control is down here at the 42.3. That is the area where we've traded most of the time. So you might think, okay, this looks like a very dodgy double top, but I'm going to go with, this potential scalp live. If we do come down to hit this point of control, this area which we're just about to touch right now, I think I am potentially going to risk a long position. And I think that we will be breaking finally this resistance area at 42.7, 42.8 levels, and try and have a leg up here and continue to the upside. So that is going to be we're having a little bit of a dip right now, a little bit of an aggressive dip. So let's try and get a day trade right over here, guys. Let's see, stop loss. I need to just check out here my stop loss below this area, 41.5 stop loss. Let's get into a trade right away, guys, here live on PrimeXBT. So if I put my stop loss at 41, I'm aiming for about $500 of a scalp day trade. So yeah, I'm around about this. Approximately, I'm aiming for 43. Yeah, 43.5 approximately. So let's make this possible. Let me just get this order in. Right, let's see if this gets triggered right away. And I'm going to go quickly through the comment section, then we can check out my trade. Will my trade get stopped out, or are we going to continue to the upside with this dip that we have in? So let me see if my order gets triggered over here. It's a good level in my personal opinion, like I showed you here. Just a quick live day trade, why not, with the community? I think we should be having a leg up. Right, let me just say hello. BTC is dropping. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Are we going to have a massive big bounce here from the biggest point of control, looking at the VPVR? Let me scroll down here. Here through the comment section. First, Shaf, welcome, thank you very much. Second, let's go, sees Jasim. Third is a charm, Hex Huddle, thank you very much for joining the live stream. Much love from Boston, Maz. Gary, just in time as always. Andy, Gary, absolutely fantastic. Mac Bitcoin and medium fries. Andy, please. Oh, and no ice in the Coke. Yes, we're gonna have to be working in McDonald's, some of us. Trade has triggered right now. Are we going to have a massive drop? Now, I usually like to see some reactions here. Okay, I don't like to try and catch a falling knife, but let's see if we are going to get a reaction and we're going to start pumping. I know I'm feeling a little bit bearish because a lot of people saying that, you know, Super Bowl is a bullish event, okay, for crypto, for markets. And yeah, let's see, because let's see what's going on. Hi Andy, XRPTA please, says Tariqul. Absolutely, let's take a look at XRP straight away. Why not? Why not? Sorry guys, there are some names here that I cannot pronounce properly, but there are some funny names here in the comment section. Let's take a look at XRP. What's going on with XRP? Guys, you know the deal on PrimeXBT. You got the best bonus down below, okay? You got an insane bonus. You get up to 7%, sorry, added to your deposit on PrimeXBT. You got a full tutorial, okay? So feel free to check out the tutorial so you can learn how to trade on that platform. It's one of my favorites for day trading. Let's take a look at XRP straight away. I did some analysis here on Bitcoin, on Polkadot, sorry, also. XRP, what's going on with XRP? Well, let's get another, let's see, I mean, let's do a fresh analysis here, fresh analysis. I think I had a chart here on XRP somewhere showing the, let's see if it's Bitfinex, a descending of, not, I'll chart it again. It's a descending, you know, potential massive descending triangle that is forming right now for XRP. We can do it on a clean chart actually. Let's just get Bitfinex here and chart this, because we know the deal on XRP. Just to keep it simple, I'm zooming out on the daily since the summer of 2021, okay, where we had the massive drop, okay. XRP managed to hit about $2. Look at the low highs right here, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and yeah, it's not looking too great. It's not looking too great. Now the question is XRP going to manage to get a bounce from this level right over here? Because if I zoom in on XRP, there has been some okay volume. This is looking at Bitfinex, but I have checked XRP on the other charts as well. And yeah, what I want to show you is that, you know, volume has been all right with this kind of movement. And what is happening right now is that we are consolidating at this major zone right here, as you can see. Now, this is telling me that we are potentially going to hold this range, and we're going to have another attempt, another leg up here for XRP. Let's see, because if we start losing this support level, then yeah, it's very, very likely we'll be retesting the lows, right? Just to keep it pretty simple here on the chart, you know, we lose this support, we come down and retest this area. Very, very likely we start losing this range, you know, any type of, you know, pullbacks here on the 4 hourly or on the 2 hourly, you know, you need to find that kind of potential movement and get in and out of a potential trade. Now, there is also that possibility, if we take a look at the 4 hourly, that we are just going to consolidate at this range. I mean, I do like very much the kind of volume that there is on XRP with this pump breaking this zone, which is absolutely great. So maybe kind of an ABC correction and then another leg up. This is very, very possible. Look at the volume. Volume is drying out here from this dip. It doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look too bad. So let's see what happens. Let's see what's happens here for XRP. Let me go here quickly through the comment section, guys, because I'm just going to do a quick live stream here. Make sure to smash up that like button. How is everyone doing? Are we going to have a bullish week or are we going to have a bearish week for Bitcoin? Let's see what happens. We're having a little bit of a sharp move here with Bitcoin to the downside in the negative. But yeah, let's see if we are going to manage to get that bounce from this consolidation, guys. This very much looks like, in my personal opinion, that this bearish consolidation, because this is a bearish consolidation, right, where we have, you know, had this kind of movement. Bears are losing control, and it looks like that I think we could potentially have a leg up in between today and tomorrow. Let's see what happens. This is my analysis, guys, what I think is very likely to happen. You might think, why do you think that? If it's super bearish, if Bitcoin's going to 10,000, why are you bullish, right? Well, yeah, the reason why, like I said, you know, nice consolidation at this range. It is holding pretty nicely. Just a little bit of volatility is possible. And I think there's a higher chance on having a leg up here in between today and tomorrow. Let's see what happens. So that is my analysis. How are you doing, Andy, my man? Uncle, Grandpa on trade. How are you, my friend? Glad everybody's here on the stream. Out of a little bit of a busy day, no video update, just a quick live stream. I'll be doing a video update and a nice live stream. I'm going to aim for 2-hour live streams, and let's see if we can find some really good opportunities for potential scalp guys. I would like to do a lot of scalping live, okay, and you know, looking for reasons why we enter, why we exit, okay. Huge community that I want to build. Make sure to smash up that like button and subscribe, guys. Let's go, says Billy. Right, guys, have Fed spoken about today yet? Oh yeah, also Fed was also speaking. So is this going to be bad news or good news? First like for Andy, says, why am I? Very old subscriber here. Thank you very much for the insane support. Hey Andy, how are you doing? Says Usman, I'm doing excellent. I hope you're doing very well, guys. I hope you are succeeding with trading, with crypto, with, you know, these different platforms that are giving insane rewards, okay? Because you need to put your crypto, you need to put your USDT or USDC to work also, right? Your stable coins. I hope you do. I am using a decentralized platform for huge returns, which is Change Finance. I absolutely love this platform, guys. Change Finance, that runs on the Fusion blockchain. Absolutely great. Decentralized application, right, which is absolutely, you know, phenomenal. I'm getting huge returns on this decentralized app, which is phenomenal, guys. You need to put your crypto to work. Hodl bag is not doing so good. It's doing okay. It's holding there. It's holding. It was much better in November, right? But anyway, this is crypto, guys. You need to see your portfolio up and down many times. Big selling order at 45k. Is this a problem? Well, the thing with selling orders, you know, they're on and off. You know, if you check the selling orders in a few hours, you're not going to see the same amount, okay? This is the thing. They put them on, they put them out. I think it's a kind of a trick also from the whales. So who knows? I think we should be the thing is about, you know, attempting to hit this 46k levels and break it is a very big question, guys. We got that, you know, this is what will happen if we do hit this resistance. Are we going to manage to break it is my question, okay? I think yes, all depending on how we react to this level, okay? Will it break or not? This is something that we do not know. What we do know is that we do have a strong support, and we have been, you know, trading to the upside for the last few weeks. We are in a little bit of a bearish retracement right now. My take here is that we are finally going to get a small bounce from this range, possibly, okay? Who knows? I might get stopped out on my day trade. Let's see what happens. I want to have this position open, you know, in between today and tomorrow to see. I'll either get stopped out or get a leg up, because it is time. It is time for Bitcoin to make a movement. It is time to make, after this consolidation, you can see after these ranges, you know, Bitcoin finally makes a move. And the time is now. In between today and tomorrow, we either do this or we either do this. And I think there is a little bit of a higher chance on pumping from this consolidation, okay? Immediate short term, yes, it could get a little bit messy. We could have a little bit of a, you know, the time is right now. We could see a little bit of up, down from this range, because basically we are trading in this range over here, right? In between 43 and 41.6, okay? We are trading in this box. It's a range. We need to pop out very, very soon. It will happen in between today and tomorrow, very likely, to break the resistance or the support. Anyway, enough talk. HBAR is pumping. Let's have a quick look at HBAR, see what's going on. What's going on with HBAR? I've had a busy day today, not any trading. I've got a swing trade on Bybit. It is there. If we go lower, I think I will add to my position. I think that 39, 40K levels, if we do have that volatility to the downside, because on the one of the latest video that I did in between, you know, was it 2 days ago? You know, there are two scenarios, and I get comments saying, okay, we can go up or down. Yeah, of course. But I've got two bullish case scenarios, you know, this range holding and pumping, or, you know, we either do kind of this and have another leg down. And this is going to be a very interesting area. It's going to be a very interesting area, this, you know, if we come down here, because this could be a kind of an ABC correction, right, from this massive pump action. So, or we either consolidate from these levels and start pumping. This is something that we do not know. Right, let's take a look at HBAR. Let's take a look at HBAR right away here on the chart. Well, this is what I got for HBAR. A long time since I've got some, you know, old analysis here from HBAR. We had this massive big uptrend that was holding very, very nicely until it, you know, broke down. As you can see here, it was creating nice, you know, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. This is the thing, when you have such a big, strong structure, as soon as you start losing that uptrend, you know, then it's time to go down, right? This is why support and resistance trend lines are really, really important, in my opinion. You can clearly see here, you have a lot of volatility, of course, but once you have that confirmed daily big candle, then it's time for the bears to fight. So HBAR is pumping, but yeah, let's take a look at it's not much of a big deal. It's just had a nice, you know, 1 hourly pump here. Volume's okay. Yeah, but nothing too special. Nothing too special here on HBAR. HBAR hasn't retested the summer lows. Could it retest the summer lows? It could. But yeah, very bullish on HBAR. Incredible project. Right, bull trap, the close will dumpage imminent, guys, says René Montenegro. We have him here. René Montenegro. Bull trap imminent. Sand, please, Andy, says Janny. Let's take a look at Sand. This one will hit at least 800 likes. Absolutely fantastic. I hope so. I hope we hit 800 likes here on this live stream. But it is the videos, the daily updates are the important ones. That is the one where I'm going to do a giveaway. You can smash up the like button for the live stream absolutely as well. So let me take a look at Sand here for one of the guys here in the community, from the community. Let's take a look at Sand, US dollar. Right. Let's take a look at Sand. Wow, this is pretty curious. We do have a kind of a descending wedge. Let me just get everything out of the chart. Let's take a look at the daily. And yeah, let's just take a look at this descending wedge right there from these lower highs, right? And lower highs right there, lower lows, and look how we actually, you know, broke the wedge massively right over here from these lower lows. okay? And we broke down, we hit it as resistance, came back in this descending wedge, and we actually hitting the resistance of, the descending wedge. So it's looking a little bit weak. It is looking a little bit weak. We didn't kind of successfully break out from this range. As you can see here this is the daily chart for sand. Now that, look at this huge consolidation right there and this huge range. This is currently where you are hitting, okay? Well, we have been hitting, the last few days. Major range to break above yeah, it's looking pretty bearish. It looks like we're just getting that massive rejection. We're getting lower highs, massive rejection from this consolidation area. And we can take a look at VPVR here to see, big spikes. Not much of a big spike at that area, actually. Let me just zoom in here to see this price action. Yeah, it's a lot of volume. There's just a lot of volume everywhere here from this trading range on Sandbox. Now, what we can clearly see here on Sandbox, looking at the VPVR, this consolidation had a big amount of volume. This is why you did get a bounce from this area. Look at this. You have a big spike on the VPVR, and this is where you perfectly bounce and come to higher levels. It's not looking too great, okay? I have to say, because the reason why is this spike over here, right? You have this high, lower high, and the next one is this one right there, right? And then you have this big drop. So it's very important to get above the last lower high, which is this one, to be confident for a new uptrend on the retracements. Now, if you don't get above the last lower high, you could continue this downtrend. Now, immediate short term, looking at the 4 hourly, are we going to have enough steam here on Sandbox? Because we go with waves, right? One wave here, corrective wave, another wave here, corrective wave. Is this corrective wave going to get a bounce from this peak? And I think it is very possible. It is very possible. Short-term analysis is we could get a heavy bounce from this range. We could bounce from this range to retest the highs here in the next coming days at the $4.70. It is very possible. Let's see how we react. A nice consolidation here, in between today and tomorrow would be nice to see. Couple of wicks to the downside, and that will be the moment to say, right, guys, the bears don't have enough steam. And it's very likely to get a potential bounce, right? So yeah, this will be a good one to see. Check tomorrow. I want to check in between today and tomorrow, see if we see some bullish reactions after when it's trying to break down this level here. So hello from India, Sunil, how are you doing? Hello everyone. BTC dropping now. It is not looking good. It is not looking good. I think that this is like a corrective move, and we are potentially going to have a leg up. Let's see. I am a little bit more bullish here. I'm a little bit more bullish. We did get that major rejection from this area. Okay, this range over here, you can clearly see, you got this major support level. You get a rejection here, a rejection right today. This was just a few hours ago. Are we going to manage to slice it through in the end? Let's see. We'll know today. We'll know today. Today is going to break resistance or support. Very likely. It's not going to be here, for more than 24 hours, in my personal opinion. I think, the decision point is now. After a consolidation, we either break up or break down. It can't consolidate here for a week. It can, but yeah, traders are impatient usually, and yeah, they will, these whales will step in and make a move. You should wait, because if Russia invades, BTC will go to 30K. I mean, this is the thing we have, there's what is going to happen. A very interesting week. It's going to be very exciting to see what happens. With the world is crazy. Senor Seb, I got Seb here, one of my greatest moderators. Average here also. Request with the requests. Thanks guys for joining, and thank you for the insane support. We love the live trade. Do more, Andy. Yeah, I mean, the live trade is there. PrimeXBT minus $120 right now. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is a day trade. I'm going to do more day trades. This has been a little bit of a quick analysis. I am sticking bullish here. But yeah, I'm aiming to do like $500, you know, day trade scalps. If it's swing trades, yeah, they usually, you know, I do bigger positions, but for scalps, yeah, we're going to aim for that, guys, and they'll be done on PrimeXBT. This is my favorite day trading platform. Okay, if you are interested, you got all you got the bonus down below, guys. And this is another way to support the channel. Okay, I support PrimeXBT because I love this platform, and you get the best bonus down below, which is 7% added to your deposit. It's one of the best bonuses that they are from the rest of the platforms. So you deposit $1,000, you're getting $70 worth of bonus to trade with. Okay, which is absolutely great. Up to $7,000. Just to be clear. So anyway, let's just scroll down here. What's going on with Solana? I have no idea what's going on with Solana, and I'm going to keep this a quick live stream, guys. I will be going very soon in about 10 minutes. Okay, so we're going to do a quick analysis on these altcoins. But yeah, altcoins, stay very cautious with altcoins. Solana actually got rejected from this major zone, and you know, we don't need a VPVR right here, just to be pretty clear and simple. Okay, just get this out of the way, just to keep it pretty simple here. Looking at the chart, look how we got massively rejected from this consolidation there. We got a support right there quickly here, big wick to the downside. Solana got resistance there, and it's, you know, in between yesterday and today, it's trading all the way down. Are we going to manage to create a big massive double bottom here? This is my question, and the answer is potentially yes. We do have a very high chance here on Solana to get, you know, or a higher low or a double bottom, a potential big double bottom. Look how we bounced here from this consolidation, right? We don't bounce at random levels. We bounce at, you know, big levels of consolidation where there's been a lot of money being traded. This is why the price gets that reaction, right? Because if there's been a big, you know, huge amount of people here buying this level, reaccumulating, the price has a reaction at that level. So this is what, you know, this is why most of my analysis is support and resistance. If you know, subscribe, you know the deal. And volume also, I love to take a look at volume. So there is a possibility that you might be creating a double bottom here. Let's see how the price reacts in the next coming days, because if we see some very nice reaction here, this is going to be screaming for a potential long position, because you will be trying to retest this peak again here on Solana. It will, you know, let's see how we consolidate out of this range. We had this level as a potential level of rejection. We got highly rejected a few days ago. So now we need to see what kind of reaction we do have for a potential double bottom, and we'll be retesting this area again. So it's going to be a pretty cool week. It's going to be a pretty exciting week. Make sure to get your trading your trading ready for the week, basically. You underwater, Andy? Gary, yes I am heavily underwater. Will I get stopped out? Yeah, this was a quick one actually. I mean, I usually want to see the reaction at these levels, all right, and then step in, because this is basically catching a falling knife, right? But like I said, you know, quick explanation here on a potential reason why, you know, why would I long here? And we're getting a little bit of high volume, which is unfortunate right now. And we have sliced through the biggest point of control. Yeah, I mean, there's still a possibility. Like I said, stop loss down here. Will we come down and hit it? You know, we have multiple attempts here. This might just be, you know, another one, and then have that leg up. If not, we could potentially break through it right now. So yeah, Let's take a look at Ethereum, please. Ethereum, let's take a look at Ethereum, see what's going on with Ethereum right now. Let's see what's happening with Ethereum. Right. Ethereum got a little bit of a nice bounce today. It had a little nice bounce here, as you can see. Taking a look at the 1 hourly, it's having a little bit of a drop right now. I mean, this is the kind of the same situation as Bitcoin. If Bitcoin does break, you know, this 41K level and goes down to 39, I think we could potentially lose this $2,800, which is not going to be good. Bitcoin's strongest support level is 41K range now, and Ethereum's strongest level right now is 2,800. If we lose this level, it's very, very likely to come down and almost or retest, retest or almost retest the lows here from January, which is the 2.2K levels, you know, between 2.2, 2.3. It's very, very likely going to retest these lows. It's just how the price, you know, works with support and resistance. We are at the strongest point of support. I am still sticking to this, guys. I am still, you know, the whales will manipulate the price till you get really, really scared. I think there is a possibility here for this range to continue to the upside. Let's see what happens. Let's see. I mean, very important range, this 41K area. Super, super important for Bitcoin. Are we going to manage to hold it or not? Let's see what happens. So yeah, this is the thing for Ethereum. Guys, remember, we did have a very good, nice break to the upside, okay? Don't be surprised if you have a little bit of volatility here and then have a leg up, you know, in between today and tomorrow. You know, you want to get into the retracements. You know, I wouldn't short here because we're shorting this downtrend that we've had for the last few days. You know, this, for me, this is a long opportunity. It is true that we are in an aggressive downtrend right here, but I like the price action. I like this kind of pop out that we've had here for a new potential uptrend. And there's nothing, you know, better than trying to get in a potential new uptrend, right? This is where the best gains are. You know, when you want to long, you want a long ride over here. When you're starting a nice big uptrend, you want a short ride over here, right? When you are at the beginning of this potential short trend. And, you know, reason number one is because we are breaking like this, you know, trend line lower highs, good resistance areas. So yeah, that's why I think that, you know, I'm still sticking. I've been talking about this now for over a week, that this is potentially the start of a new uptrend. So yeah, this is the moment, right? When it's looking a little bit bloody, it's the moment, guys. Not financial advice, of course, and, you know, use some risk management. Only risk what you can afford to lose. This could easily slice back down to 39K. It is, but we're not geniuses, we are traders, we are looking for probabilities and risking a little bit of our money to try and get some gains, right? DXY is going up very well. DXY doesn't have an immediate effect on Bitcoin. It doesn't have an immediate effect, but it definitely does have some effect. So let's see what happens. Yeah, we're having a little bit of pumpy action here for the DXY today. Let's see what happens. But remember, DXY has been pumping like crazy for the last, you know, year or so. It's had a pretty nice uptrend for the last year. How long is this uptrend going to continue with? We do not know. We do not know. You know, if we start breaking this uptrend, DXY will be coming down potentially for the next few months. Let's see what happens. It is holding pretty nicely this trend line right now, as you can see. Just retested this a few days ago and having a great bounce. Let's see. Bullish DXY is definitely not good for Bitcoin, that is for sure. No time for tea. No tea today. I did have my tea this morning, but no, not on the live stream. I didn't make a tea, guys. Thank you very much for joining the live stream. I'm sorry this is going to be a quick one, guys. I need to go. I will be doing tomorrow. I'm doing a video update, and I'm going to aim for a 2-hour live stream. Okay, I'm going to try and meet long exactly now, says Christian. Yeah, potentially. Potentially you're going to get that bounce from this level. I mean, this is a critical range. We either break down or we break up in the next hours, guys. You know, this consolidation has been going on for quite a long time right now, you know, since the 11th. So it's over 3 days. It is time for Bitcoin to move up or down. So guys, I hope you can join tomorrow's live stream. The people that are here, I'm going to do it a little bit earlier than today. Great job, great stream, Levent. Thank you very much. I'm sorry, I want to take a look at your altcoins, but I need to go. Make sure to join tomorrow. I'll be telling you at what time I'm doing a live stream tomorrow. We'll be doing some live scalping on PrimeXBT, my favorite day trading platform. We'll be looking at how Bitcoin, you know, what direction has Bitcoin got. But like I said, you know, we either get a breakout from this range, from this major resistance zone, which is at the 43K levels, or we break support. I am in a swing trade position. Let's see how we react at these levels, okay? Because if we start dropping heavily with volume, then yeah, let's just see what happens. But yeah, like I said, there are two scenarios here. We either, you know, pump from these levels, or we either break down, consolidate, and then go back up. I think that is my analysis on this, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Video update tomorrow. There's a giveaway. If there's more than 1,000 likes, you comment down below. And I'm doing a live stream of over 2 hours. Definitely tomorrow, over 2 hours, guys. We'll be analyzing all these different altcoins. We'll be doing some scalping. So yeah, we'll be analyzing the situation. S&P 500 is waterfalling. It's having a bad reaction, I guess, to something. Let's see what we got here for the S&P having a little bit of a waterfall event. Let's take a look at the S&P on the 4 hourly. It's not a waterfall just yet. It's not a waterfall just yet, but I wouldn't say that this is a successful breakout just yet. We are at the very, very top of this range. So let's see what happens. Guys, tomorrow, 2 hours, it will be at the stock market opening, very, very likely, okay? So it would be 3:30 at about Central European time. That is the moment that I want to go live, okay? Thanks, guys. I'll be doing a video update. 250 likes. Thank you, Senor Seb. Thank you, Dave. Have I got here? Average. Thank you, guys, for the insane support. Let's see what happens. Stay cautious. I might be getting stopped out here from my position. It's just dropping like really heavily. It's dropping really heavily here. My position here on PrimeXBT. It looks like that the Bitcoin price is just gonna absolutely slice through the support level that we have been looking at here. It's having a little bit of an aggressive drop. Stay cautious. It might be just volatility and we'll get a bounce from here. Stay cautious, guys. Stay safe. If you are trading, make sure to place your stop losses. Don't have, you know, a massive liquidation. Make sure to put your stop losses. If you stopped out, you will recover your funds. Guys, thank you very much for the insane support. Make sure to check out Bitcoinsensus website. We have the latest news posted every single day here. Technical analysis ideas. New all-time high noted for Bitcoin hash rate. Hash rate is making all-time highs. So this is bullish for Bitcoin in the long term. Absolutely securing the network. Thank you, guys. I will be back tomorrow. Stay ultra safe. Let's see what is going to happen.